Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop ads appearing on your phone screen. First, identify the source of these intrusive advertisements. Often, a recently installed application is the culprit. Go to your phone settings and review your applications. Look for any apps that seem suspicious or that you don't recall installing. Pay close attention to their permissions, especially those allowing them to display content over other apps. This initial step is crucial for pinpointing the problem. Once you've identified potential ad-generating apps, navigate to your phone's app settings. Locate the suspicious application and disable its display over other apps' permission. This is a critical step to prevent pop-up ads. Also, revoke any unnecessary notification access from these apps. Many unwanted ads appear as notifications. Finally, check your browser settings for any built-in ad blocking features, which can often be found under privacy and security options. To further enhance your ad-free experience, consider installing a reputable ad blocker extension for your mobile web browser. Many popular browsers offer these. Additionally, delve into the settings of individual applications you use frequently. Some apps provide options to reduce or disable in-app advertisements, often for a small fee or by adjusting preferences. Regularly clearing your browser's cache and data can also help remove tracking cookies that contribute to targeted ads, improving your privacy. For a more comprehensive solution, you might explore using a private DNS service. These services can filter out ad requests system-wide, offering a robust defense against unwanted advertisements across all your applications and browsing. Always exercise caution when downloading new applications, especially free ones, as they are often bundled with ad-generating software. Regularly review and update your phone's security settings to maintain optimal protection against intrusive ads and other digital threats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.